This time, the new 2022 Honda Elysion, the overall confidence is very strong. What the Honda Odyssey has not completed for many years will be completed by Honda Elysion. Facing the competition of the new Toyota Senna and Buick GL8, the new generation of 2022 Honda Elysion officially assumed the heavy responsibility. The model can compete with the other two competitors in terms of overall price level and product strength. This is what Honda Odyssey has wanted to do for many years, but the overall performance of Honda Odyssey, on the other hand, it is slightly inferior. The exterior design of the 2022 Honda Elysion is more advanced. The biggest change in the front face is the replacement of an exaggerated air intake grille. The surrounding lines are described delicately and smoothly. The black middle grille is very advanced, and it is also decorated with silver ornaments. The design of the headlight group is very slender and maintains a certain angle of inclination. After the light group is lit, the visual effect is ideal. The air intakes on both sides are exaggerated, and the front face looks younger. The side body of the new car looks solid and slender. The lines around the window line are relatively clear, and the bottom is decorated with bright silver trim to enhance the texture. Described as a relatively straight, multi-spoke wheel with refined movement. The style of the rear of the car is relatively high. The wide spoiler is equipped with high-mounted brake lights. The taillight group is designed to be round and wide, and the visual impact after lighting is good. The interior style of the new car is advanced and generous. The center console is designed to stretch and slender. The air conditioning outlet is relatively generous, and bright silver trims are also decorated around to enhance the texture. The multifunction steering wheel is round and wide, and the grip is more comfortable. The control screen is relatively square. The functions of the car system are perfect. The storage space in the car is more, and it is also equipped with a hidden cup holder. In terms of power, the new car provides a 2.0-liter plus electric motor powertrain, and the transmission system is matched with an eCVT gearbox, and the power output is smooth. Obviously this time Honda is more sincere about the upgrade of the Odyssey.